So I decided not to go to the movies because I haven't posted a tutorial on TikTok lately. So we got something easy for y'all to do. Really easy. Easy money. Y'all know I love the easy money, right? Okay, it's the Memorial Wing Pendants. Hold on, let me show y'all. Okay, so we got two different ones. You have one, this one, which is one-sided. And then you have another one that looks like this and is double-sided. So you got sublimation on both. Now, this one came from this company on Amazon. These two, which is one-sided, came from this company, which I don't even see the company. This is all I see on there. It came from, okay, I think the video had cut off, but I don't know this company name, but just look up wing pendants, sublimation wing pendants. And they come with silver, they come with gold, and this company sends the chains with it. This comes with, here goes son. It comes with the chains. Now, this company, it only sent the double-sided wing, and it also sent the sublimation blanks. This company also send the sublimation blanks too, but this company do not send the necklace. It does not come with the double-sided. So make sure y'all purchase those, okay? Now, if you look at this, the size is really, really small. The size for both, if you doing both, the size is 1.0, 1.0 in width and height, 1.0. Now, as everyone know, I have a iPhone, but I have an HP laptop. So when I upload my photos from like my phone to my laptop, the pictures be pixelated. So I have another iPhone to where I just upload to Cricut Design Space. So come on, I'm about to show you. Oh, first you have to make sure you save the photos to your phone. Now, I had to screenshot the photos from Facebook and I saved them to my phone and I sent them to my iCloud and then I saved it to that phone. All right, these are the photos that I saved. I had sent from my phone to my own phone. Now, don't talk about my finger. I had to cover up the number. Hold on. Hit the plus sign and go to upload. Select from photo library. And I'm going to click on the first photo. And I'm going to hit apply. And I'm going to use flat graphic. Then you hit next. All right, so we know this right here, circle, is a 1.0, 1.0, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to shapes. We are going to grab a circle. Now, I'm going to keep my, right now the circle is at 2 in width, 2 in height. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the circle and kind of make it big. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the photo and just get as much as possible inside of the photo. Like, get as much as I can possible in this photo because I wanted to get as much. And you just size it up. Okay, once you get it to what you want, you're going to drag your mouse and I want you to do align to the center. I want you to do right click and then I want you to slice. Remove this and this is what you're going to have left. All right, let's do it again. So we no longer need this. So we're going to right click and we're going to delete that. Now let's go down to this photo. So let's take this photo. We're going to put the circle right there. We're going to click on the photo. We're going to get as much as the picture we can possibly. All right, so as y'all can see, we click on the photos. You can see the size is way bigger than what this 1.0 is supposed to be. So what we're going to do is you're going to unlock the portion. And we're going to change the size to, oh, wow, I deleted. Wait a minute. Hit the back button. Undo. There we go. And we're going to change it, the size to 1.0. In width, you're going to do 1.0 in height. That's all you need right there. Okay, I'm going to turn my view up to like 125 for y'all. So this customer got 6 necklaces. He ordered 6. So we got this one. He want 4 of his granny. He want 2 like these, 2 photos of his brother. And then he want 4 more. Because they double-sided, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is what I'm going to have to do. So now it's time to print. Now, I will be using my Epson EcoTape 2803 that I purchased from Walmart. And it's a sublimation. Well, I converted to a sublimation printer. And I will also be using my Asub paper that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. 8.5 by 11 Asub. And I'm about to put this in the printer. So we're going to go over here and hit make. And as you can see, everything is lined up. This is how it's going to print out, just like this. Okay, then now we're going to hit send to printer. Click send to printer. Then we're going to go down and hit next. Then I'm going to select the printer. I have 2 printers. I'm going to select my sublimation printer. Then I'm going to hit use system dialog. I normally keep my bleed on. I'm going to just turn it off. And then I'm going to hit print. Now, if you download the Epson driver correctly, this box should pop up. This box should pop up. Now, I'm going to go to my preference. I'm going to show y'all my settings. I saved it as sublimation printer. I'm going to change my document size to letter. Where are you at? Hold on. I'm going to change it to letter. I'm doing portrait, premium presentation paper matte. The quality is high. I'm going to hit print preview because I always want to hit that. Then I do mirror image, custom, advanced. These are my sublimation settings. So you always want to, I normally do a print preview because when you do sublimation, your image should be mirrored, like flip. And so that looks right. So I'm ready to print. You will also need some E6000 glue. You could purchase this from Walmart or your local craft store. I'm going to use this little pen to put the glue on there. Y'all see. Okay, so now I had just cut mine out by paper. Well, I said by paper. Scissors. So look, I need y'all smart self. This is, I don't know what these are, but we're going to do the ones with the aluminum on the back, right? I want you to flip this over. The white side. This is the side you're going to sub on. Take your weeding tool. You will have to peel back the clear. It's a clear part on there. Do not sub on this or you're going to be upset. Take it off. Okay. So now that the film is off, as you see, it's like a little glittery, shiny, as you can see. You're going to take. Oh, you're going to need some, hold on. You're going to need you some heat tape. Now, this is my butcher paper I'm going to use. So I'm just going to take the photo. I'm going to place this on top, just like this. And I'm going to hold it real tight. And I'm going to flip it over. And I'm going to place it down here, like so. And I'm going to take a piece of tape. And I'm going to place it just like that. Just like that. So now I got to do all of them just like this. Now that I have everything taped down, I'm about to put my heat press on 385 for 55 seconds. And let us do a job. It's heating up. Make sure you take another piece of butcher paper and place it on top of your project. And we're going to do medium pressure for 55 seconds. Okay, now we're going to reveal these together. So we're just going to peel the tape. And as y'all can see, there we go. I'm going to pick one up so y'all can see. So there we go right there. So let's get going. Now, if y'all forgot what we doing, remember, we are doing the double-sided wing pendants. And these are double-sided. You put 2 pictures in there. Got a front, got a back side. Okay? All right, this is where the E6000 glue come in handy. Now, mine look all janky. So what you're going to do is, you're going to take a little bit of it. Uh-oh, it's a lot. Hold on. You're going to take your E6000 glue and you're going to put it in the middle. And then, I did this side already. You're going to place the photo on top. Okay, let me make sure I line it up right. And he's just going to press down to, secure. You're going to secure it to lock it in place. So place down. Press down. Don't be scared. Just because you don't want this to fall off. You want to make sure it's secured. And we're going to let it dry, but it's a double-sided. They can wear it on this side. You see how shiny it is? Or they can flip it over. Hold on. And they can flip it over to this side. It's cutesy. All right, here go the finished product. I like that they have like a little glitter, little side to it. Y'all see that? It's bling blinging. And that's the back side.